Right now, Spiderman edits are blowing up everywhere. AE editors are getting millions of views with them. But most mobile editors can't recreate these edits because they seem too complicated. But not anymore.
Relax and take notes while I take totes.
In today's video, I'm giving you 2 AE-style Spiderman edit presets in Alight Motion that will instantly level up your edits and help you go viral. So without wasting any time, let's get into it.
Hi, my name is Peter Parker. Something to stop it was to make everyone forget about me. Because I'm Spiderman.
Then you left, unless I stuck by you.
Now let's watch second one. I hope you loved both Spiderman edit. Full edit presets, CCs, and Twixtor clips will drop on my Telegram channel when this video reach 100 comments. If you're new to channel and want to learn After Effects likes edits in mobiles, then make sure to subscribe the channel because next video is going to crazy.
The pain I felt is pain.